The following is presented by FloridaTestPrep.com. We recommend that you get the Spread the Words app. Very useful. And you can write to theebookman@gmail.com. In addition, there's all sorts of ways to make yourself stand out. I recommend reading books like The Outliers. You don't have to read the whole book. Just get the part by Bill Gates, pages 50 to 53, and The Beatles 47 to 50. It's by a guy named Malcolm Gladwell. It's likely that in one of the universities that you are applying, somebody has read or heard about Malcolm Gladwell. And they may in fact want someone on campus who has heard of Malcolm Gladwell. This right here is one of the problems that we saw. We got 2x, 3x, and 4x together. Now, the thing to look about is that there's a full circle here. Don't worry about the individual angles. Just try to figure out what the total circle would be, which is the 360 degrees. If you add the 2x, 3, that makes 5, plus 4, you get 9x. 9x equals the 360. So, I divide both sides by 9. I get 40 degrees. So 40 would be your answer on x. Let's think of some other interesting things. There was the problem with 50 pieces of candy, 25 red and 25 green. This guy, Art, takes 3 reds and 4 greens, so he immediately has, how many is this? He's got 7 right here. Then he takes another 13, so then you're adding 13 plus the 7, so he has 20 pieces. Then they say, what's the minimum number of pieces that are red so that he has a majority red? This is assuming Art's not eating anything yet. So I counted 20 total, so if to have a majority red, you'd have to have 11. So he starts with 3, he has to add 8. So that's what that was. There was a box of 6 donuts, and the box costs $1.89. Which of these numbers is an approximation of the cost per donut? This looks pretty easy, right? You just divide the 6 into 189, you get 31 cents. So that's pretty close to 0.30. Then they get a little crazy, because then they say, we want you to buy at 21 donuts, and the cost per donut, if you only buy them singly, is 40 cents. If you buy 6 of them, a box, you get $1.89. And it's $3.59, which is your cheapest price if you buy a dozen. But, what's the cheapest way of buying 21? Well, you could go 666 and then buy 3 individuals, or you could buy a 12, a 6, and then 3 individuals. So that's what I did. The $5.48, $1.20 for the 3 individuals, and you get 668. So if you've seen that problem, you'll know how to aim for it. Okay, there you go.